Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we'll learn to make this very beautiful crochet made multicolored tea coaster. So let's start. Our wool is of 4 ply and crochet is of 3 mm. We'll take the yarn over our front finger and hold it with thumb and mid finger and control with the lower two fingers. First we make a slip knot and then we'll make 5 chains. 5 chains we'll make slightly tightly. Five chains we have made. Now we'll attach with the first chain with slip stitch. A small ring has been formed. First we'll make 3 chains and 2 double crochet in the ring itself. 3 chains and now 2 double crochets in the ring. This is the first side. One more double crochet. Now it is the first side of our pattern. 2 chains we'll make to separate one side from the other. Now we'll make 3 double crochets. We'll make in the ring itself. This is the second side. Two sides we have made. Like this we'll make the other 2 sides, 2 chains and 3 double crochets. It is the third side. One more double crochet. This is the third side. Now again 2 chains and 3 double crochets in the ring itself to form a fourth side of our pattern. Fourth side we have completed. Now we'll attach with the first chain with half double crochet. We'll not make 2 chains here. We'll make 1 half double crochet here to attach with the first chain. Now one more round we'll make 3 chains and 1 double crochet in the gap. Now we have 3 chains. We'll make double crochets over the existing double crochets. So we'll make 3 double crochets. We'll take the extra yarn along. Now in the gap we'll make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. In every gap, in every round we'll make same 2 double crochets, 2 chain and 2 double crochets. 2 rounds of each color we'll make. We have used 4 colors, so we'll make 8 rounds in total. this pattern is very easy. We have to make simple double crochets here. Color combination you can choose of your own. But one thing we have to keep in mind, that we have to use the same type of yarn. Though the color may be different, but we have to use the same type of yarn. Otherwise, the pattern will not be very beautiful. Now gap comes, we have to make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets in the gap. In between 2 gaps, we will make the 1 double crochet over existing 1 double crochet. In every round, we will make the same. In all pockets, we will make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets, and in between the pockets, we will make double crochets over the existing double crochets. Our fourth side of the second round is near to complete. Now we have to make 2 double crochets in the gap. We have to disconnect this thread here only, so we can make 2 chains and attach with the first chain. Or we can make a half double crochets with the first chain. It is your own choice. Because we have to disconnect the thread, so it will not affect anymore. Make 1 chain more, cut the thread and tie the thread. Now we will attach next color. And we'll make 3 chains as we did before. This round is also exactly like the previous one. We'll make 1 double crochet here. After 3 chains, we'll make 1 double crochet. And after this, we'll make 1 double crochet over the existing 1 double crochet. We'll make this round as we did before. In corners, we'll make 2 double crochets, 2 chain, 2 double crochets, and in between the pockets, we'll make double crochet over the existing double crochet. Now pocket comes, we have to make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets in the pocket itself. Like this, we'll complete the whole round. Not only this round, we'll also make the next round of this color like this. Up to 6 rounds, this pattern is quite easy. We have to simply make double crochets. When we place tea on our tea coaster, everybody praises not only tea, but also praises our tea coaster also. Our this round is also near to complete. We'll make 2 double crochets in the gap and we'll attach with the first chain with half double crochet. Now again make 3 chains, 1 double crochet in the gap and make 1 double crochet over the existing 1 double crochet. Okay, we completed this round also. Now we have to disconnect this thread here only. So we can make 2 chains with the first chain or we can make 1 half double crochet as you wish. Make 1 chain more, cut the thread and pull it tightly. Now we will attach the third color. As usual we make 3 chains, 1 double crochet, we'll make in the gap itself and we make 1 double crochet on every existing 1 double crochet. Like this we'll complete next 2 rounds also. As we did before, 2 double crochets, 2 chain, 2 double crochets in the gap and 1 double crochet toward the existing 1 double crochet in between the gaps. Two rounds we have completed. It looks beautiful. Up to this, the pattern is quite easy. Now we'll join the fourth color, preferably be a dark color. Make 1 chain and make 5 single crochets, that is 1 single crochet in every 1 chain or stitch you can say. We'll make 5 single crochets. Five single crochets we have made. Now we'll make treble crochet. We'll make from down, straight from down we'll make treble crochet. We'll take yarn over the crochet 2 times. Now we'll make single crochet after skipping 1. Now we'll take yarn over the crochet 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll pick from the next chain straight from downwards in next row. Then we'll knit We'll knit slightly loosely. One single crochet after skipping one. Now we'll take yarn over crochet 4 times. Now next thread from downwards, another next row. Yes. We'll knit slightly loosely. One single crochet after skipping one. Now we'll take yarn over crochets 5 times and go straight in the next row. We'll knit slightly loosely. One thing we have to keep it in mind. Now one single crochet after skipping one. Now we'll reverse. We'll take yarn over crochet 4 times now. One single crochet. Now we'll take yarn 3 times over the crochet. One single crochet after skipping one. Now we'll make treble crochet as usual. Yarn over crochet 2 times. Now 5 single crochet we'll make in the rest of 5 stitches. In the gap we'll make 2 single crochets. In this way we'll complete our other sides also, exactly like this side. Now we have completed all the 4 sides and it looks really very beautiful. Now we'll complete the last round. Simply 4 double crochets in the gap and 4 double crochets with 2 chains in between in the gap and 1 double crochet over the existing chain like we did in all the rounds. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. Please also explore and subscribe my channel for more beautiful videos. Please be attached with the channel. We have completed all the 4 sides. But one thing we have to keep in mind that in the corners we have to take 2 double crochets from the downwards. I am sure you will love this tea coaster. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.